I'm Matt Hyman, and this is my garage. Yeah, so this is a place where I can create, I can build. I got tons of projects going on. It's where I de-stress. And really, working on projects started when I was a kid at my parents' place. You know, my dad had a huge garage. And so I could make whatever I wanted, you know? Instead of buying something new, why don't I just create it, make it my own, you know? And so that's stuck with me. Yeah, so now that I'm older, it's like, well, why buy something at the store brand new when I can make it my own? I can put a unique twist on it. Yeah, so this is a toy box that I made for my friends, their young son, and pretty much all of it is pieces that were going to be thrown away. Wood, a lot of this plywood was from a pallet, and so I was like, hey, I could turn this into something. So in Colorado, my cousin had one of these, but it was manufactured. It wasn't actually a railroad tie, and I was like, oh, this is a great idea. The railroad ties all over the place, and why not reuse them and turn them into bottle openers? And so I was like, that's easy enough. So I just got some tools and started making some bottle openers out of railroad ties. This is a simple end table from a different era than ours, so it's not very attractive. Someone threw it out, but it's great wood. The structure's there. All it needs is a little TLC. Sand it down, paint it a different color, and it's got a new life. I got here a huge slab of oak wood. It was actually a tree on campus, and they decided to instead of mulch it, let's make it into something. So we're going to be looking at a coffee table here with this one. Today's culture is like a monster that destroys everything in its path. We consume, we consume, we consume. We go through clothes, we go through furniture, we go through everyday items like crazy. We're always wanting something else. And the result is waste. We have this motto, out with the old and in with the new. And my question is, what's wrong with the old? Let's turn the old things into something new. Let's bring life to Grandma's floor lamps. Let's turn that old palette into something useful. Come on, let's be creative. Let's get our hands dirty. Let's take that junk and revive it. Sure, that old cabinet was useful for its intended purpose, but why throw it away? Let's give it a new purpose.